hopped on my ass and went and got it, yeah. I know I can't depend on nobody, yeah. I know it's up to me, so ain't no stopping. Ain't no stopping, yeah.
Yo, what up, players and playettes? You know who it be, the Cat Daddy, you heard? I'm about to lace y'all up, so sit yo. Nah, but I'm gonna show you how to find them baller setups so you can come in and get them bags. So peep game, let me show you real quick. Yesterday, I got on some trades, racked up over $1,100. Bam, just like that. I'm gonna show you how to do that. But you know what time it is before we get into it. Ooh, random Bible verse of the day. You, Lord, reign forever. Your throne endures from generation to generation. Well, thank God for that. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's go take a peek. Bam. So we're on tradingview.com. And before I actually get all the way into it, I just want to show you a few features in case you didn't know of how you can come in and find, a few trading setup ideas. So you can go here if you're doing Forex, take a look at some chart patterns, pull up some double tops, head and shoulders, wedges, cup and handle, all this good stuff. And let's just take a look. Let's say we want to get in on the head and shoulders. Bam. Let's see what we got. You want to change this to the newest ideas so people share their ideas, AUD, NZD. Check it out. Head and shoulder pattern right here about to form. Bam, gonna drop. You know what I'm saying? And you come on here and just, you can look through any of these kind of ideas here on the chart patterns. So that's just in case you want some quick ideas. You can just come and take a look real quick. But I'm going to show you something even better than that right here on the screener. Go to Forex screener if you're trading Forex. Bam, let's open it up. So boom, here's the scanner. Well, they call it screener, I call it scanner. So you can come on here and scan what kind of trades you're looking for. Whatever kind of strategy you use, you can scan the setup. So look, let's say you're looking for a 20 MA crossing the 50 MA on a 4-hour time frame. So let's take a look. Right here, you pick your pairs. I just got the major and minor pairs. This is the time frame. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. And then you click on filters, and let's see, you can search SMA. Boom. Simple moving average. Let's say crosses up over the 50 MA. Bam. So right now the JPY odd, the 20 is crossing above the 50 on this pair. Let's open it up, see how it looks. So that's on the 1-hour time frame, but we were searching on the 4-hour. So let's go down to the 4-hour. And as you can see, bam, the 20 is about to cross the 50 right here. Look, it's crossing it right now. So that's a good buy signal. So let's take a look. Bam. I'd probably wait on a pullback or something. I'd probably drop down to maybe the 15-minute. I'd probably wait for a pullback. So it looks like it always pulls back down to the 50. So I would probably wait until it pulls back down to the 50 and then bam, jump in just like that. So let's take another look. So while I'm on the charts, you can just click here, this little bottom arrow. Bam, that's gonna pop up the scanner. And you can actually save your filters. So right now I have the 20 crossing above the 50, 20 crossing below the 50. I have a sell signal. So this, I have basically the RSI, the stochastic, and the Big Mac Daddy indicator right here. So the filters I have on here indicate possible sells. So let's see. Bam. Let's get that out the way. So look, you can see this is kind of a downtrend. is going down. So basically how I have these set up is that the RSI is below the 50, you know, because that means a bearish trend. And on the MACD, this is below 0. And so that means that's a sell signal. So you set up your filters, boom, and then you can just go scan the market like that and just take a look at which one you want to get into. Look, that one's jumping down trying to sell already. Boom, let's see. I mean, you don't want to just jump in here and like place your trade. You want to wait for any pullbacks or confirmations, but this is a simple way to just come in and scan the market real quick so you can get some bags and get out. Look, boom. And then you can also see that the 20 is below the 50 also based on these indicators. The way I have it set up also for the stochastic is that it's dropping below the 80 here. So let's look at the filter that I have for the sell signal. Boom, 3 filters. So the MACD is below the 0 because that indicates bearish movement, and the RSI is below the 50, that's bearish. And then whenever this is actually dropping below 80, then that indicates that it's coming down. But as you can see, this is starting to be a little bit oversold, so I wouldn't, you know, jump into it. But let's take another look. JPY, boom. These look like they're coming up. So what I would do is wait for this to kind of jump back up, maybe up to the 50. Cause see, if you look here, it keeps bouncing off the 50 here. Actually, it bounced off the 100 right here. Well, it went up to the 50, and then bam, it came down, bounced off the 50. Now it's coming down, and now it must be sitting on a support here. Let's take a look. Go up to the 4 hour. Take a peek. Yeah, so it's sitting right here on this support. I mean, it used to be a resistance. And yeah, so I'd probably wait till it breaks through. Boom, jump in. So these are just ways, and then look on a buy signal. Boom, those are your filters. MACD above the 0, RSI above 50, stochastic either above or equal to the 20, because, you know, once it's going up above the 20, then bam, like that means that it's going in for the buy. You know what I'm saying? But you know, this is right here, it's just ranging. So, you know, I'd wait for confirmation to jump in on that. But take a look. So you can just scan the market real quick. You know, that's all you do. Bam. So this is a buy. Look. Boom. I mean, I don't know about this one, but you know, you gotta wait and see. But yeah, you can see let's take a look. We're on the 4 hour right here. Let's drop down to the 15. Yeah. I mean, you can see it's kind of like got this bullish signal going on right here. Bam. But the 20 is starting to drop, so it might just come down and bounce back off the 50. It's green when it's going up and then red when it goes down. That way you can just take a look. Bam, you already know what's going on. So the 20 is the small line, and then the 50 is the medium line, and the 100 is the thickest line here. Bam. So I operate off that. Then what else I got here? Below the 50. So this is just if you want to trade off the 50. You know, the sell signal I have with the stochastic, and then these are the 50s below and above the 50 or crossing. So, you know, whatever your trading strategy is, but you can just come into the filter, boom, and they have all the different indicators that you can operate off of depending on how you trade. So just go in there, boom, fill it in. And then how you save it is you just go, boom, save screen. And then I name mine crossing above SMA and so on. Boom. Those are mine right there that I named. The rest of these are just default. You can leave them. I don't think they let you delete them actually. But if you want to delete yours, you can delete it or edit the name right there. Bam. And you know, it might not match. You got to make sure on the same time frame. Click on one of the pairs. Bam. Off top, see? I'm going below the 50 right here already. So, you know, I would wait for this to pull back. Then you jump in, get you some pips, and get them bags. I mean, you know, just get in and get out. And that's how you do it. And then if you want to use the pivot points to kind of get, you know, where it might bounce off of, or, you know, you just whip out the pivot bar. Let's see, let's get this out of the way. You know, this might bounce back up to here, and then boom, just like that. But take a look here. Your stochastic and the Magdaddy and the RSI. You know, people think when the RSI is all the way down here, that means it's about to turn around, but nah. Like the RSI can just keep on going down. But yeah, you want to just wait for them confirmations, and then when on the Magdaddy is like when this drops below the center here, 0, then that's a possible sell signal. And then same thing with the RSI. If it's below the 50, then that's a sell. So if you have all of these three matching, and then you have your 20 and 50 and 100 moving averages, you know, matching up, then bam, you know what I'm saying? It's time. It already took a good drop, so I would definitely wait for a pullback, or just whip out your trend line, boom, draw it up. See, it just broke through, but then go down to like a 15-minute, boom, just get in and get out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, it really is that simple. So get in here, put your filters on, save it, you know, however your trading style is. Those are all the indicators that I use. But, you know, I'll whip out a fib too. And these pivot points, they help out. So, yeah, check it out. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get them bags. You know, that's how I racked up. Last night I jumped on here, and then that's how I racked up them bags right here. Look, 1100, just like that. Woke up this morning, and there it was. So it works. I mean, you gotta have your own strategy. You can't just be placing trades. But I'm just showing you how easy you can come in. I mean, it's a free tool. It's like you set it up, it's easy. Come in here, you just scan all the pairs that match what you're looking for, and boom, there it is. It's time to go get them bags. So anyway, that's about it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. I will be dropping some more videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe so y'all can see them future videos. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to lace y'all up. It's just the beginning right here. Show y'all how to get them bags. Let's do it. Y'all stay up. All right, peace.